Hello, this video aims to demonstrate NoDA, whose acronym stands for Unified NoSQL Data Access Operators. NoDA provides a unified view of the underlying NoSQL stores through each common data access operators, hiding implementation details of the database engines. Apart from the common operators, NoDA supports spatial and spatiotemporal operators as well, leveraging the capabilities of each NoSQL database system. I'm switching now to my internet browser, where I have already connected to the MongoDB store by using our Spring application. In the background, MongoDB and HBase are running locally. The two databases store the same dataset consisting spatiotemporal points that constitute GPS traces of passenger cars in Greece. From the presented window, we can visualize the results of spatial and spatiotemporal queries on the map that is shown on the right side. I'm proceeding now to the construction of a spatiotemporal query from the SQL builder that is shown on the first panel of the center side of the window. I'm clicking on the select clause where I leave the star as is. Then I'm choosing the passenger cars collection, and I carry on with the where clause where I choose the geotemporal circle function. Then 5 fields have appeared, and I choose for the identification field the vehicle. For the location field, I choose the field of the documents that store the spatial information. And as the interface indicates, we have to draw a circle on the map. So I'm zooming in the town of Sparta, and I'm clicking on in this icon on the left side of the map, and I will cover Sparta and its surrounding area. Then I will choose a temporal field that stores a timestamp field that stores the temporal information, and I will set the minimum and upper bound. I'm setting 16 August at midnight. And for the upper bound, I choose 6 days later. I set 6 days later. And then I'm executing the query. The query has been executed, and we observe the movement of some vehicles, each one rendered with a unique color. The corresponding query expression that is passed on the MongoDB database is now reported at the third panel of the center side of the window. The reported expression represents the Mongo's aggregation pipeline, which is exploited by NoDA. Now, I'm switching from the upper left box to HBase, and I fill the required fields. Now we have been transitioned to the panel of HBase, and I'm proceeding directly to the SQL query builder. In the from clause, I choose the passenger cars table, and note that the passenger cars table store a column family named location. Then I click on the circle function, geocircle. I want to execute a spatial query, and I set the column that stores the identification of the vehicle. Then I'm clicking on the location column family that stores the spatial information of the query, and I'm zooming again in the town of Sparta. So I will draw the rectangle covering once more the town and its surrounding area, and I'm executing the query. Now the data is projected on the map, as we can see, and the bottom panel of the window displays the underlying expression that was executed on HBase. The expression contains a row key filter and the circle filter, which is a custom filter. Thank you.